சொல்லு.
You are infinite. You are unique.
Infinite.
You are infinite.
My
You
potential
define me.
inside. No, no. My potential inside.
My potential inside.
You are the wings.
You are the wings.
Hmm.
Beneath
Beneath my flight. Beneath my
my
flight.
flight.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge
With all my might.
with all my might.
I shall achieve you.
I shall achieve you.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Yes, very good morning to everyone. Yes, standing. Yeah, very good morning to everyone. Okay, keep standing for the warm up activity, children.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ma Keshav.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma.
On, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, run, run. Run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. Snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop.
Yeah, very good children. Come on, all of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Dashwan, Velan.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Dashwan. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Jason. Absent. Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Radhyani.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Radhyani. Rudvin.
I am. Yes, I am. Ma'am.
Very good, Marudvin. Sarah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Sarah. Ananya. Ananya. Ananya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Sukriv Gautam. Sukriv Gautam. Sukriv Gautam. Visha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Mahirini. Mitra.
Here I am, Vanilla, ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar. Yes, I'm marking you, Taruneshwar. Varsha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Vihan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Vihan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Taruneshwar. I have marked you, ma. Okay? Okay. Now, all of you, come on, let's start with our rhymes. Who is going to sing over rhymes? Raise your hand. Let me check. Who will sing? Raise your hand. What do you mean by Okay, Varsha. Varsha. Hmm.
Too short and the tail so long. To be.
Very good. Thank you so much. Next is under a web. Who is going to sing under a web? Who will sing? Let me see. Keshav. Come on, Keshav. Under a web.
The big spider has legs are eat the bark in five star bishing bin six back five has best she
Legs has she. Okay. Yes, ma Radhyani. Sing under a web.
under a web
Six black furry legs has she. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Next rhyme is butterfly rhyme. Who is going to sing butterfly rhymes? Who's gonna sing? Who knows? Nobody except Hazel and Hazel and next. Wait, Makesha. Wait. Hazel. Hazel, come on. Butterfly.
How to complete caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar sings and comes like this. How to complete butterfly and the blue surface.
Very good. Okay, next is pentagon rhymes. Ananya, pentagon. Ananya, yes, Dashwan, pentagon rhyme. Yes.
One, two, three.
4, 5. Okay, next is rocket, rocket. Who will sing rocket, rocket? Vihan, rocket,
Vihan
rocket.
don't know, ma.
Don't know what. Chucho. Okay, Visha, rocket, rocket.
Yeah, the man's pentagon line.
Rocket rhymes தெரியாதா? Who knows rocket, rocket? Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race to all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi. Okay, well done, children. Okay. Next is our concept. We learned pollution concept, right? What is pollution? What is pollution? Pollution na என்னது? What is pollution?
Dirty.
Making our surroundings or environment dirty. It is called as pollution. Okay. How many types of pollution are there? How many types of pollution are there? 4 types of pollution. What are they? Loudly. Air pollution. Land pollution. Water pollution.
Water pollution.
Okay, close your ears. Loud pollution. It's not loud pollution, it is noise pollution. Okay, first is air pollution. Okay, second one is land pollution. Okay, third is water pollution, and fourth is noise pollution. Okay, and then yesterday we learnt about communication. Yes or no? We learnt about communication, right? How many types of communication are there? 3. What are they? What are they? Verbal communication, verbal communication, written communication, written communication, sign language. Very good, Mataruneshwar. Sign language and Vihan. Very good. Sign language. Okay. Verbal communication is talking. That is verbal communication. Written communication means writing or typing messages. That is written communication. And third one is sign language. Okay, sign language. Okay, now I want all of you to bring a piece of paper, a small piece of paper, write your name in it. Now the communication which we are going to do is written communication. So bring a piece of paper, all of you. Just a small piece of paper, white paper. It should be neat, not a rough paper, a white paper. Write today's date. Okay, today you are going to write a letter to your ma'am. Who is your ma'am? What is name of your ma'am? Nobody knows my name. Okay, fine. Today you are going to write a letter to Vanilla ma'am. Okay, first write today's date. What is today's date? Today's date is 2 dash 12 dash 2121. This is today's date. And write your name here. Write your name. Starting letter only should be in capital, other letters should be in small letter. For example, I am writing my name, capital letter, and then the rest of the letters will be in small letters. Likewise, write your name, don't write my name, okay? Those who are now writing in a notebook, afterwards you have to tear the page, okay? Tear the page, take an envelope, write the school address and post it, children. Okay, all the letters. I must receive all your letters. Parents, please take them near the post box and ask them to post the letter. Okay? Yes, finish writing your name. Write neatly, children, okay? First, hi, ma'am. M-A-M, ma'am. First, write hi, ma'am. Parents, you can draw lines and give them so that they can write in the lines if you are having an unruled paper. Finish writing hi, ma'am. Raise your hand, those who have finished writing hi, ma'am. Who finished writing hi, ma'am? Raise your hand. Let me see. Raise up. Raise your hand. Na ipdi kamika kudadu. Up. Yes, Hazel, Keshav, Varsha, Ananya, Visha, Rudvin. Still who is writing? Taruneshwar, Mitra. Yeah, Vihan, okay, ma. Finish. Finish writing hi, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes. Parents, the rest of the part you are going to copy it like this. My name is, write my name is and put a dash in that. They are going to write their name in that place. And next, I am a boy or girl. Next, I am how many years old? How old are you? Write how old are you. Next, I am studying in. All these I am studying in and all parents will write. Only the answers alone you should write, children. And then next is fifth one is I like to, what you like to play, you like to sing, what you like you have to write.
Ma'am, you want us to write in the same letter?
In the same white sheet you are having, right? You are having
Yes,
a
ma'am.
paper, right? In that
Yes.
paper they have to copy, they have to write this. You copy down
Okay.
only the question. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
answers they will write.
Okay, ma'am.
I am studying in dash. They will write junior KG. Okay. My name is Vihan. Vihan will write only his name. And then I am a boy. B-O-Y, boy. And then I am 4 years old. I am studying in dash junior KG. I like to. What do you like? I like to play. I like to read. I like to sing. Boy, girl. Girl spelling also I have written, children. Copy it down. If you are a boy, write boy. If you are a girl, write girl. And then last answer will be I like to play. I like to read. Or I like to sing. I like to draw. Then whatever the answer is, copy down the answer from the screen. Point out the spellings, parents, let them copy down from the screen.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, 4 we have to write in letters or number itself, ma'am?
Number,
4.
number,
Okay.
number. Mhm. Mhm. After finishing this writing activity, you can either take a photo and send it in group, or else if you want your child to know what is writing a letter and posting a letter, you can write our school address and post it in the post box. Take your children along with you and teach them how to write a letter and post it. Or else you can just take a snap and send it in group, what they have written. Yes, finish.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished. All the five questions you finished. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. What do you like, Mamitra? I like to. What do you
I
like?
like to
Hmm. Last one, fifth one. I like to. What did you write?
play.
Play. Very good.
Play.
Well done. Yeah, good.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, well done.
It's not post back. Finish.
Finish. Everyone finished.
Mute.
Neatly write it, children. Come on. Yes. Very good, Makesha. Very good. Hazel, good. Very neat, Hazel, good. Keshav also good. Taruneshwar. Let me see 1 minute. Yeah, good. Why your A is like that? Good. Tarun, not Taruneshwara. Ah?
He's not writing fully, ma'am.
Okay. And then who else? Ananya. Nice, good. Very good. You like to? 1 minute, let me see. I like to. What is that? Draw. Draw. Ah, okay, good.
Cook and draw, ma'am.
Cook. Ah. She has written cook there. It's very
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Cook and draw. Very good. Well done. Next is Varsha. Let me see Varsha. Sorry, Varsha. Show me once again. Varsha or Visha? Someone showed me. Visha, va. Yeah, Visha. Very good. I like to color. Okay, good. Well done. Yes, ma. 1 minute. Sarah, let me finish with Sarah. What have you written? I like to. Little bit closer. I can't see properly. I like to draw. Okay, good. Very nice, Sarah. Very good handwriting. Good. Well done. Then who else? Vihana. Who? Someone called me. I don't know who. Rudwin.
Vihan, ma'am, Vihan.
Vihan. 1 minute, ma Rudwin. I like to draw. Very good. Well done, ma. Next, Rudwin. Show me your paper. Where is Rudwin? Kavi Kartika, va? Yeah. Good. Very good. Rudwin, no, the handwriting, is there any problem in writing? Small letters and all, how he is writing?
Normal only, ma'am.
Normal only, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
But A and all, it's not proper.
Okay, ma'am.
that and all he has to change. Okay, can you please wait after the session for 2 minutes?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Very good, children. All of you fold your paper. Take a snap of it, parents. Fold your paper. If you want, you can go to the post box and post the letter to the school address. Okay, school address is given in your almanac. Okay, post it to the school address. And then I want you to take worksheet number Junior KG culmination worksheet. This one. Culmination worksheets you will have. Like this it will be. Before number and after number worksheet. Here number will not be given. Instead of that, culmination will be given. Junior KG culmination. WSH02. Yes, clear? Ananya's mom, you are seeing culmination 3. This is culmination 4. Worksheet 105. After 105 you will be having. After 105 worksheets. Yeah, after that. Yeah, that page.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Yesterday we did one communication worksheet, right? After that worksheet you will have, children. This sheet. Okay, I'll present you the numbers. Okay, look at the numbers and find out which will come before and after. Write today's date and be ready. Let me present you. Varsha's mom, you can copy down the sums. First sum is 64. Second one is 72. Third one 76. Fourth one 67. 69. Fifth one. And sixth one 79.
Ma'am, page number, please.
Culmination worksheet. Varsha's mom, you want me to tell me one more time? Tell you one
No,
more
ma'am.
time?
No, ma'am.
Finished?
Finished, ma'am.
Okay. Before number and after number. Just draw boxes and give it to her. Okay. The first sum is 64 children. Here I am going to color number 64. Find out the before number and the after number. Before number means you will go one step up, children. 64 has been colored in the screen. Before number na ஒரு step மேல போகணும். Okay, go one step up. That is before number. After number means below that, down. 64 is given. Look at the screen. 64 is given. What is above 64? 64 க்கு மேல என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கு? That is the before number.
First follow.
Now the second number is 72. I have colored 72. Before number. What is the before number and after number? Slowly do it, children. Wait for ma'am. One by one we'll color it and do. Or else you will get confused. Okay? Finish second sum. Let me know as soon as you finish, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Those are finished. Please unmute and answer. I've got only one answer.
Finish the ma'am.
Yeah, good, Mitra. Shall we move on to the third sum? 76. Have colored 76 now. 76 here. 76. Find out the before number and the after number. Finish?
Finish the ma'am.
Yeah, good, Vihan. Before number na color பண்ண நம்பர்ல இருந்து ஒரு நம்பர் மேல. Okay, look at the colored number and go one step up. That is before number. Radyani, finish?
Yeah, ma'am, she finished. She
Yeah,
has
good.
doing next sum, ma'am.
Okay. Next sum is 67. Here. 67. 67. 67 has been colored for you. Finish? Sixty-seven has been colored. Children, finish it. Next number is 69. Next number is 69. Let me color. Wait, children. "69" has been colored for you. Find out the before number and the after number. "69" நம்பருக்கு மேல இருக்கிறது before number, கீழே இருக்கிறது after number. Or else you can rote count and also write 68, 69, and then what comes after 69, that also you can write.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Maradhyani.
Finished, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Next sum, shall we move on? Next sum is 79.
Finished, ma'am.
79. What comes before 79 and what comes after 79?
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, children. Is it easy for you, children? Is it easy for you?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Dad. Yes.
Yes, good.
Finished, ma'am.
Yeah, well done, Radhyani. Well done, Vihan. Well done, Mitra, Visha. Good. Okay, now take a fresh page again. Take your math notebook. Wait a minute, children. Let us finish one more worksheet and then we'll do in our maths note. Now we have done one worksheet, right? Before that, you will have one worksheet. Let us finish this too. Before that, missing numbers worksheet here be done, right? Before that, you will have another culmination worksheet, empty worksheet. Take that page. Write today's date.
Page number, ma'am.
Page number Junior KG culmination empty WSS 01. இப்போ ஒரு ஷீட் பண்ணோம் இல்லையா, அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்க ஷீட். Yes, start doing the worksheet, children. It is from 61 to 80. Numbers are from 61 to 80. Start doing it. If you have doubts, you can look at the screen and do. First is aeroplane is given. Number 61. After 61, what number will come?
62.
Right, 62. 61, 62, 62. Here. 63, 63. 64, 64 is given already. You need not write. Then come down 65. After 65, after 65, 66 is given. And then after that, 67. And then 68. Come down 69. 70 is given. Next number 71. 72 is given. 73 is also given. 74 is not given. Right there. 75. 76 is given. 77 is also given. 78 78, 79 79, 8080 is given. Two, 63, 64 is given, 65, 66 is also given. Next is 67. Next 68. 69. Then 70 is given, 71. All these colored part you have to write it in your worksheet, children. 72, 73, 74. 75. 76, 77 is given. 78 and 79 you have to write. All these colored numbers you have to write, children. 62 and then 67, 68, 69, then 71, 74, 75, 78 and 79. Well done, everyone has finished.
Tarneshwar, right?
Finished, Tarneshwar?
No, ma'am, still writing, ma'am.
Okay.
Fish man.
Very good, Keshav. Yeah, well done, Ma. Next worksheet will be CT worksheet. Same culmination, CT worksheet. Some vehicles will be given here. You are going to color. Bring green color, yellow color and blue color, children. Green, yellow and blue. 3 colors we need. This will be your worksheet. Junior KG culmination CT worksheet. Aeroplane, car, bus, ship will be given in that worksheet. Those who are finished can take that. Land transport, color it with green. And then air transport, color it with yellow. Water transport, color it with blue.
Ma'am, the transport worksheet, they should color now, ma'am.
Yeah, now they should color.
Thank you, ma'am.
Finished, everyone? Shall I stop sharing, children?
Okay, ma'am.
This will be your worksheet, children. First will be land transport. What are all the land transport in this worksheet? All of you listen. What are the land transport in this worksheet? Yes, bus and car. Very good. What is the air transport here? Air transport. Aeroplane. Very
Not a
good.
subject.
What is the water transport here?
Water transport.
Which is water transport here? Ship or boat, whatever it is. Ship. Very good. Varsha. Varsha, I want you to write numbers from 51 to 70 in your rough notebook. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Now, ma'am.
Yeah, now because she has no worksheet, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'll make
Let
her
her
do.
write numbers.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
From 51 to 70, ma. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
First, finish your land transport with green, and then move on to your air transport yellow color, and then finally water transport with blue color. Use light blue, children. Varsha's mom, even if she is not having the worksheet, also I have shared that CBC words file. Okay? In that am words, and words, it in all those words are given in that CBC words. You can try that words, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Because you don't have worksheet, so she'll be idle. You need not waste time. You can give her blending sounds, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Sure. Ma'am.
Children, during your math assessment time, you will be writing numbers from 1 to 50 without seeing. Okay, after that only we'll proceed with our Google form test. Okay, why I am asking you to write that numbers is in that itself you will be having missing numbers. So you can use those numbers to find out the answer. Okay. So be ready with your math notebook. Your parents will not teach you. You yourself should write. So be clear from numbers 1 to 50. 1 to 80 is the portion, but 1 to 50, at least 1 to 50, you should be very clear to write.
Finish the math. Finish the math.
Yes, children, how many of you finished?
Finish the math.
Yes, very good. Very good, Radhyani. Hazel gets a smiley for finishing it. And then Radhyani. Radhyani also gets a smiley. Then who finished? Keshav. Keshav also smiley for Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome, ma. Next who finished? Mitra and Taruneshwar. Smiley goes for Mitra and Taruneshwar. Okay? Vihan finished?
Finish the math.
Very good. This smiley goes for Vihan.
Thank you,
Rudvin. Rudvin. Finished?
ma'am.
Overall. Smiley for Rudvin. Welcome, Sarah. Yes, very good, Visha. Smiley goes for Visha. Then Varsha, did you finish writing your numbers?
No, ma'am. She's still writing, ma'am.
Right. Sarah finished coloring. Ananya. Nova, color. Finished. Do it. Others, those who are finished can leave, children. Thank you, children. Those who are finished can leave. Those who didn't finish, stay.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye, ma. Those who are finished can leave. Bye, ma. Bye, Hazel, Radhyarni. Bye, ma, Vihan. Yes, bye, Visha. Yes, bye, Visha. Bye, Mitra. Bye, Taruneshwar. Yes. Rudvin, take your slate and write A to Z, ma, small letters.
Okay, ma'am.